Hello everyone, so today I am going to tell you how to change Google Assistant language. If you want to change the language of your Google Assistant, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings app and now scroll down and look for Google. Here's that, just tap on it and here just select all services. Now scroll down and look for search assistant and voice. Here's that, just tap on it. Now scroll down again and here the option of Google Assistant. Just choose it and here select languages. Just tap on it and now here you can see your default language which is English. Just tap on it and here you will be able to change your language as you want. As I am going to select Urdu, so just tap on it and now you can see I have successfully changed the Google Assistant language. So that's how you can change your own Google Assistant language. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.